In a recent statement, Trump attorney Alina Habba has made a bold claim, advocating for the dismissal of both of former President Donald Trump's trials and proposing that he should be awarded damages. This controversial stance has sparked widespread debate and raised questions about the legal implications surrounding Trump's trials. Let's delve into the details and examine different perspectives on this matter. Alina Habba, a prominent attorney representing Donald Trump, has voiced her opinion regarding the ongoing trials against the former president. In her statement, she argues that both trials should be thrown out, asserting that they lack sufficient merit to proceed. Furthermore, Habba contends that Trump should be compensated for damages incurred during the legal proceedings. This statement has ignited a fierce debate among legal experts and political commentators. Those who support Habba's position argue that the trials against Trump have been politically motivated from the start. They claim that the evidence and legal arguments put forth by the prosecution are insufficient to warrant a trial, let alone a conviction. These supporters believe that dismissing the trials would be a fair outcome and that Trump should be compensated for the harm caused by what they perceive as baseless accusations. On the other hand, critics argue that dismissing the trials without a proper examination of the evidence would undermine the principles of justice and accountability. They contend that Trump's actions leading up to and during the incidents being investigated deserve thorough scrutiny, regardless of political motivations. Critics also question the notion of awarding damages to Trump, arguing that it would set a dangerous precedent and potentially discourage future accountability for public figures. Legal experts are divided on the issue, with some suggesting that the courts should carefully evaluate the evidence and legal arguments presented before making any decisions. Others emphasize the importance of adhering to established legal processes and ensuring that no individual, regardless of their status, is above the law. Alina Habba's statement calling for the dismissal of both of Trump's trials and his subsequent compensation for damages has sparked significant controversy. While some argue that the trials lack merit and should be dismissed, others express concerns about the potential ramifications of such actions on justice and accountability. The ultimate decision lies with the legal system, which will need to carefully weigh the evidence and arguments presented in the trials. As this debate unfolds, it remains crucial to consider the principles of fairness, transparency, and the rule of law.